Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation just like I have, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the square icon and the recents will be opened. But if you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, let's say at the center of the screen, and your device will also open the recents. So that's how to enter them. So let me tap on this button, and as you can see right here we've got all previously opened apps. So if you want to, you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you do not really want to do it manually, just go to the very left of this list and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.